Hello learners, today we will continue the same chapter, chapter number 3, adjectives and degrees of comparison. Open your textbook, page number 23. Page number 23. Degrees of comparison. Okay, adjective change in the form to show comparison. They have 3 degrees of comparison, namely positive, comparative and superlative. Okay. The positive degree used when no comparison is made. We have to use positive degree when no comparison is made. Okay, like he is young. Here comparison is not there. Comparative degree is used when two person or things are compared. Like Suresh is younger than Ram. Okay, Suresh is younger. Then what we have to use when we are comparing? Then we have to use second form er. With young we have to use er, younger, and we have to use then. With comparative degree we have to use then. Okay, Hina is more intelligent than any other girl in the class. Okay, in comparative form we have to use then. The word other is used here to show that Hina in comparison to other girl is more intelligent. The word other shows that she is not included among other girls considered as one group. But we cannot use then when we write Hina is more intelligent of the two girl. Okay, then we don't have to write then. Hina is more intelligent of the two girl. Okay, Hina is more intelligent than any other girl in the class, then we have to use then. But Hina is more intelligent of the two girl. Of the two girl, then don't use then. The superlative degree we have to use est. Young, younger is comparative degree, and est we use est with superlative degree. He is the youngest in the family. Okay, the article the is used with the superlative degree. Always remember it, the article the is used with the superlative degree. The shortest, the highest, the most courageous. We do not use double superlative. Most tallest, most brightest are incorrect. Okay, tallest already is there. Tallest is a superlative form. Then we can't use most tallest. Okay, brightest already super. Don't write most brightest. Okay. Okay, next question is fill in the blanks with the correct degrees of comparison of the adjective given in bracket. You know that the is used with the superlative degree. Okay, so where the is there in these all blanks you have to write the superlative form. Okay, superlative degree you have to use. Then tall, here the is before the blank, so you have to write superlative degree, that is tall. Superlative degree is tallest. Okay, next is here the is used. Mount Everest is the, so the always before the superlative degree. Then high will change to highest. Highest. Next fifth one, see fifth one. Rima loves to follow the. Okay, the, so what will come? Superlative degree latest. Late, later, latest. Rima used to follow the latest fashion trends. Can you name the longest river in India? Sixth one I am saying now. Sixth one. Can you name the longest river? The is there, so we have to use superlative degree of long, that is longest. Next, ninth number. Dhoni is the most important player of the team. What you have to write? most, most important player of the team. And next 10th one is also we have to use superlative degree because the is before the dash. So yesterday was the coldest day of the season. coldest, coldest. Okay, completed. Next what we have to do? Okay, next third question. These new bulbs are, then is there. Okay, if then is there, then we have to use comparative degree. Okay, third one, the new bulbs are brighter than the old ones. What will come? The new bulbs are brighter. Though he is, fourth one, though he is younger, Ramu is cleverer than is. Clever change to cleverer. Cleverer than his elder brother. Fifth and sixth already we had completed. Later, late change to latest. And can you name the longest? Okay. Now seventh one, Hari is a hard working boy. Here comparison is not there. Okay, so we have to write Hari is a hard working boy. Same will come. Okay, you have to write the same, hard working. My mother looked beautiful in her pink dress, pink sari. Okay, my mother looked, here also comparison is not there, so we have to write the same word. Dhoni is the, already I told you that the is there before the superlative form, so most important. Yesterday was the coldest day of the season. Complete. Okay, again I am saying, first one, Ramu is the tallest boy in the class. Mount Everest is the highest mountain in the world. These new bulbs are brighter than the old ones. Though he is younger, Ramu is cleverer than his elder brother. Rima loves to follow the latest fashion trends. Can you name the longest river in India? Hari is a hard-working boy. My mother looked beautiful in her pink sari. Dhoni is the most important player of the team. Yesterday was the coldest day of the season. Next is write comparative and superlative degree of these adjectives. Okay, students, this is homework for you. Do it yourself. Okay, like great, great comparative form greater, and superlative greatest. Same way, short, shorter, shortest. Bright, brighter, brightest. Long, longer, longest. Write in your notebook. Okay, large, larger, largest. Okay, do it yourself. Use of many and much. Next is use of many and much, page number 25. Many is used with plural form of countable noun. Okay, many is used with plural form, like many pencils. Pencils, plural form, and pencils are countable also. So many used with plural form of countable noun. It can indicate a large number of something. Okay, much is used to indicate a large quantity of something that is uncountable. Much used with uncount, like much milk, much thrill. Okay, for uncountable noun we have to use much, and for countable and plural form we have to use many. Okay, now tick the correct option to complete the sentence. Try to do this. Question number H. Question H. How many liters? Okay, how many, first one, how many liters of milk is kept in the big pan? Here quantity asked. Here if it is there how much, you have to use how much milk is kept in the big pan, then you have to use how much. But how liter is used, so we have to write many. Okay, with liters we have to use many. The apple did not cost, the apples did not cost much. He had hope, hope is uncountable, so much. She needed sheets, sheets are countable, many. Due to leakage in the tank, much water, water is uncountable, so use much. Use of some and any. Some is used with affirmative sentences. Okay, and any is used generally with negative sentences. Okay, we have to use some with positive sentence and any with negative sentence. So do it now. Some and any. Okay, write any with negative sentence and some with positive sentence. She brought some orange juice for me. She brought some orange juice for me. There are some apples in the basket but not any guavas. There are some. Positive we have to write some, but here not negative. Then negative we have to write any. There aren't any flowers. Then it is negative, so any. Next, encyclopedia has some pictures. Some pictures of wild animals but not any of domestic animal. She needs some money. She needs some money. Do you have any change? Okay. If we are means getting any negative answer, okay, if we are expecting any negative answer, in that time also use any. Okay, like do you have any change? In this position we will get any, we can get any negative answer also. If we hope that we will get negative answer, then we have to write any. Next is little, a little and the little. Little is used with uncountable. Okay, little is used with uncountable. A little indicate at least one, some. Okay, at least some, then a little. And the little indicates the whole, though very little. Okay, the whole, it indicates the whole but very little. Little is used with again I am repeating, little is used with uncountable noun. Little indicate almost none. Okay, it indicate almost none. Or little indicate at least some. And the little indicate the whole, though very little, but indicate the whole. Okay, the little. Okay, clear? Now little is used with uncountable noun. Little means almost none. A little means at least some. And the little the whole, but though very little. Next page. Few, a few and the few. Few is used with countable noun, like little is used with uncountable. Okay, little and few difference is little used with uncountable, whereas few used with countable noun. Little indicate almost none and few indicate not any, maybe almost none. Of a little used indicate at least some and a few indicate at least some. Both are same, but what happened? Little is used with uncountable and few used with countable. Okay, you have to remember that with uncountable we have to use little and with countable we have to use few. Okay, so do the next question. Fill in the blanks with little, a little, the little, few, a few or the few. Here first one is the salt. See that blank? After blank salt. The salt is countable or uncountable? Uncountable. Then what we have to use? Little or few? Because it is uncountable, so we have to use little. Rita has used, now what we have to use? A little or the little or little. Then Rita has used salt for the 3 scrambled eggs she prepared, means at least some. Okay, then a little will come. Rita has used a little salt. A little. Dash apple juice. Apple juice, not apple. Apple juice is uncountable. So, a little apple juice. What will come? A little. Right here, a little. Third one. Dash yogurt was left was sufficient for her breakfast. Yogurt also uncountable, then little will come, but the little will come. The little yogurt that was left was sufficient for her breakfast, means here we are indicating the whole. Okay, then the little will come. I left the room for a few minutes. I left the room for a few minutes. Dash shops were open in the market. Shops are countable, then few shops. People also countable. The few people who came forward to help the injured man took him to the hospital. Then the few. Okay, understand? For uncountable you have to use little, and for countable use few. Next is use of later, latest and last. Then later and latest, later, later, and latest, latest, used to indicate time, and latter, later, and last, last, used to denote position. Okay, later indicate time, later indicate time, and latter indicate position. Okay, older and elder. Older and oldest used to denote age, and they are used with both person and things also. Okay, older and oldest used with person also and things also, and older denote the age. Okay, whereas elder are used with close family relation like son, daughter, brother, sister, and so on. Okay, we should never use then with elder. Okay, then we can't use then with elder. We have to write Rohit is, see here example, Rohit is elder of the two sisters. Here we can't write Rohit is elder than two brothers. Okay, we have to write Rohit is elder of the two brothers. We should never write Surbi is elder than. Okay, elder, after elder we can't write then, so we have to write Surbi is older than Sumati. Okay, nearest and next. Nearest implies distance. Nearest means distance, and next denote position. Next means position, next to him. Okay, next, the museum is next to the park, it denote position. Okay, and nearest means distance. My hostel room is nearest to the mess. Use of as and so as. Here as is generally used with positive statement, whereas so as used with negative statement. Okay, comparative adjective ending in or like superior, senior, interior, don't use then with them. Okay, use to with them like senior to, junior to, superior to, interior to, inferior to. Okay, next is some adjective cannot be used with the comparative and superlative degree because they represent the highest degree in themselves. Such degrees are chief, complete, perfect, entire, unique. Okay, we can't use comparative and superlative form of these words. Okay, next question. Next is fill in the blanks with correct degree of adjective given in bracket. Okay, Sonu is, here the is already there. If the is before the adjective, then what we have to use? Superlative degree, already I told you. Okay, then Sonu is the, what will come? Oldest, oldest, right? He dash brother is his dash brother is studying in Delhi. His younger brother, okay, he is dash to her in intelligence. He is superior, because I told you with or, adjective ending in or, we don't use then with them, we have to use to. So here to is there, so superior, same will come, same spelling. He is superior to her in intelligence. He came late, later will come. He came later than her to Anju's house. What is the latest update? Here latest, latest, latest. Okay, and he came, later, later. Third one, he is superior, same, we have tried the same spelling. His younger brother, second one younger and first one oldest. Next question, fill in the blanks with correct form of adjective given in bracket. First one, who do you think is a better singer, Sonu Nigam or Shan? Here comparison is there, so we have to write comparative form of degree, then good, better will come. Next is her cat is, then is there, so comparative degree, cleverer. He is the is there, so superlative form we have to use. He is the youngest. Then which poem do you like, the road not taken or if? Okay, then more will come. Here comparison, in comparative form we have to use more. Much, second form is more. Iron is, then is there, so comparative form, then more useful. Iron is more useful. Here write more and same blank, more, more, more useful. Okay, Hari is dash, then Hari is more intelligent. What will come? More, more and same intelligent, INTELLIGENT. Okay, next is his health has become, then comparative form, bad, second form is worse, WORSE, worse. Next is Sachin scored, the is there, so use superlative form, most run. Okay, completed. Next is correct the following sentence. Here some mistakes are there, you have to read and find the mistakes. First one, he is the older of all his brother. He is the is there, means we have to use superlative form. Okay, then what we have to write? For close family relation we have to write eldest. Okay, ELDEST. He is the eldest of all his brother. Written. Second one, my dress is more brighter than your. My dress is, don't write more, you have to write my dress is much brighter. Much brighter than your. He is the wise. He is the is a superlative form, so we have to write wise in place of wise. What we have to write? Wisest. Next is Ritu is best than Sakshi in maths. Then Ritu is here comparison, so best, what will come? Ritu is better, not best. Ritu is fourth one, better. Cut best and write better. She is senior than me. Then senior, OR, ending with OR, then don't write then, we have to write in place of then to. She is senior to me. The lesson is interesting than the previous one. Okay, then lesson is, here comparison is there, so what we have to write? Lesson is, before interesting, what we have to write? Before interesting write more. Okay, lesson is more interesting than the previous one. He is more stronger than I imagine. He is more stronger. Here what will come? Not more stronger, we have to write much stronger. Okay, what we have to write? Much. Cut more and write much. Seventh one, cut more and write much. Your handwriting is improving from good to, what will come? Not gooder. In place of gooder, what we have to write? Better. Good to better. Okay, completed. Written. I hope you all understand. Thank you, students.